In the last video, we were discussing about the odd numbers, sum of odd numbers. Remember, we have discussed the scores. Like any perfect score, you have to find out whether you have to check whether a given number is a perfect score or not. So you have to check whether the number is having 2, 3, 7 or 8 at the units place. If that number is having 8, 7, 3 or 2 at the units place, that number is definitely not a perfect score. Okay. Rest. If the number is having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at the units place, then that can be a perfect score. So you have to check whether that is a perfect score or not. Then you can check. But if a number is having 2 at the units place, definitely that is not a perfect score. That is having 3 at the units place, that is definitely not a perfect score. 7 at the units place, definitely not a perfect score. 8 at the units place, definitely not a perfect score. So this one we have discussed in the last class. I hope you have remembered that. Okay. Now, the next thing that we discussed, what will be the value? You have to find out the value. What will be the value of 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 49. Okay. So, what will be the value? We discussed now. If one odd number, first one odd number will be equal to score of 1. First n odd numbers, for first n number of consecutive odd numbers will be equal to n square, right? Like first 5 odd numbers, 1 to 10, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. These are the first consecutive odd numbers, right? So sum of these 5 odd numbers will be equal to 5 ka score, right? That is 25. Okay, so 1 to 50, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 till 49. So out of 50, 25 even numbers and 25 odd numbers are there. So 1 to 49, how many odd numbers are there? There are 25 odd numbers. So what will the sum of these numbers? That will be the score of 25. That is 625. Understood? So this much we have discussed in the last class. Now today we will talk about the even numbers. Okay, if I am writing 2, this will be equal to 2. 2 plus 4, this will be equal to 6. 2 plus 4 plus 6, that will be equal to 12. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, this is equal to 20. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. This one is equal to 30. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12. This will be equal to, how many numbers are there? 6. So this will be equal to 42. Okay. Now see what we have to do. This is, how many numbers are there? Only first one even number, right? One even number. So that is one even number multiplied by 1 plus 1, that is 2. This is how many even numbers? First two even numbers. Sum of first two even numbers will be equal to how many even numbers? 2 even numbers multiplied by the successor, that is 3. Now first three even numbers. First three even numbers, 3 multiplied by successor, that is 4. Now first 4 even numbers, 4 multiplied by 5. First 5 even numbers, 5 multiplied by 6. First 6 even numbers, 6 multiplied by 7. Okay, so 1 into 2 will be 2, 2 into 3 will be 6, 3 into 4 will be 12, 4 into 5 will be 20, 5 into 6 will be 30, 6 into 7 will be 42. Understood? This is the trick for even numbers. If first even numbers, like some even numbers, first 10 even numbers, first 100 even numbers given. So what will be the value of that? If it is given like 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus up to 200. So how many even numbers are there? In 200, first 200 numbers, there are 100 even numbers, 100 odd numbers. So first 100, sum of first 100 even numbers will be equal to 100 multiplied by 101. That is equal to 10100. This will be the value. Got it? So this is the trick for even number. So odd numbers, even numbers we have discussed, right? Now, when we have discussed about the even numbers, now can we derive one formula for this, for natural numbers? Okay, see, from these numbers, can we take 2 common? So, if we will take 2 common, this will become 1 plus, we are taking 2 common, so this will become 2. From this one, it will be 3. From 8, if next number is 8, so we will get 4 plus, from this one we will get 100. Okay, so if we have taken 2 common, so what we got this much. Okay, so this is 100 multiplied by 101, right? Now first 100 numbers, first 100 natural numbers, what will be the sum of first n natural numbers? So first 100 natural numbers, this 2 we can move that side, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 up to 100, we'll get 100 multiplied by 101 divided by 2. Got it? So can we derive a formula if a number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n numbers? Okay, up to n, I mean n is the n number, like n can be 100, n can be 200, any numbers. Okay, so what will be value of this one? The value of this one will be equal to n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. So can we derive like this? So this can be n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula for sum of first n natural numbers. Got it? Okay, first n natural numbers will get n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now, one more thing we will discuss. One square plus 2 square plus 2 square, what we will get? 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 9, which is 3 square of 3. Okay, so this, for this one we are getting square of 3. So 2 square plus 3 square plus 3 into 2, 6 square will be equal to 4 plus 9 plus 36, which is equal to 49, square of 7. Okay, so can we say that square of 2 plus square of 3 and plus square of 6 is equal to square of 7. So if any number, this 1 plus 1, square of 1 plus square of 2, okay, 2 consecutive numbers, square of the sum of 2 consecutive numbers, and with when added with the product of these two numbers, like n square plus n plus 1 square plus n into n plus 1 whole square should be equal to n plus n into n plus 1 plus 1 whole square. It means if any number you can take 6 square plus 7 square, okay, then 6 into 7 will be 42, square of 42 will be equal to 43, square of 43. Similarly, square of 2 plus square of 3 plus 2 into 3 will be 6, square of 6 will be equal to square of 7. Similarly, we will take some more examples. 9 square of 9 plus square of 10 plus 9 into 10 will be 90. score of 90 will be equal to score of 91. This is one trick, okay, for scoring a number, for finding, like if you have some number, if something is given like 31, score of 31, you have to write in the sum of the score of some numbers. So you can write 31. So 30 score, and 30 can be written as 30 is the product of 5 and 6, two consecutive numbers. The number which is the product of some two consecutive number, that only it is applicable for that number only. Okay, so 6 score plus 5 score. Okay, so 43 score, that is equal to 42 score plus 6 score plus 7 score, right? So this is the trick for converting this number like this. Okay, now the next is, now some more concept is there to find out the value of, if you have to check whether a bigger number like 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit number is given, and you have to check whether that number is a perfect score or not, and what is the, you have to find out the square root of that number. How you will do? Can you do you know? There was one trick. If a smaller number is there like 121, you know that score of this number, when you will divide this by 11, you will get 11. So this number is the score of 11. Okay, if you have some number 256, you will find out dividing by 2, you will get 128, divided by 2, you will get 64, divided by, again divided by 2, you will get 32, divided by 2, 16, then divided by 2, 8, then 4, then 2. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 times you are getting 2 score into 2 score into 2 score into 2 score, right? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. So score of 16 you'll get. Okay, if bigger number is there, this is 3 digit number, this is also 3 digit number, so it was taking less time to find out the value. Now if bigger number is there and there is some score like score of 41, and then that is the product of score of 20, 40, like score of 82, score of 105, score of, these numbers are there and you don't know by which number you have to divide. So what you will do? There is one trick, and that trick we are going to discuss in the next video. Okay, so stay tuned, and if you are liking the video, just like and subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.